Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. Today let's cook turmeric rice. Easy turmeric rice. We need coconut milk, lemongrass, fried shallot, ginger and rice for this recipe. Sliced ginger. Lemongrass, remove first layer, cut flat with knife back. Put all ingredients into rice pot. Coconut meal. Add 4 teaspoons turmeric powder. Salt 1.5 teaspoons. Two cups water. Cover the lid and select Cook Rice button. Rice is cooked. Remove all the ingredients from rice. Rice smells so good. Look at the rice, yummy! Turmeric rice paired with curry chicken is so tasty. Share this easy and delicious recipe to your friends and family. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Don't miss it! Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah.